Hello, and welcome to Energy Modeling Best Practices, Energy Modeling Basics. This short presentation is brought to you by the Oregon Housing and Community Services Multifamily Energy Program. It is the first of 3 modules that we'll be bringing to you on energy modeling best practices. Whether you are a building owner, developer, engineer, architect, or energy consultant, you may have had some experience with energy modeling, whether it was completed for your projects or perhaps you are an energy modeler yourself. To get us on the same page, let's look at some energy modeling basics. What is energy modeling? Energy modeling is the process of using computer simulation models of building systems to estimate energy savings and explore energy efficient design options. It can be used in a wide variety of scenarios, including the analysis of whole building, new construction, or retrofit opportunities for existing buildings. The opportunities for energy modeling analysis are endless. Maybe you want to look at the whole building and are trying to reach a specific energy savings target. Or perhaps you just want to find out if it's worth investing more in added roof insulation. Why do energy modeling? Energy modeling is a great design tool to help your project team optimize energy savings and cost-effective measures in your project. It's a great way to explore different design options and help to estimate projected energy usage of your buildings. This is especially useful for affordable multifamily projects to determine energy costs for both the owner and residents. Energy modeling is used for code compliance, certification programs like LEED, tax credits, and incentive programs like the Multifamily Energy Program. Who does energy modeling? Energy modelers have a wide variety of professional backgrounds, including architects, HVAC engineers, and energy consultants, but they are generally building science experts and understand the energy flows across different end uses in the buildings for various technologies and equipment. These energy model professionals can provide energy modeling services for projects in the Multifamily Energy Program. When to do energy modeling? Energy modeling can be useful at any stage of a project, but it is most powerful when used as early as possible in the design process. Even if you only have an idea of a project or are very early in the design process, you can start energy modeling. You can use it as a tool to explore design options and make decisions with the project team. If you are an energy modeler, the following process is probably very familiar. Modeling can be a time-consuming process, but these general steps outline the modeling process. Step 1 is to create the baseline model. For existing building projects, this would be based on existing conditions. For new construction projects in the Multifamily Energy Program, the baseline is based on Oregon Energy Code requirements. Next, in Step 2, working with your project team, you would develop a list of proposed energy efficiency measures that might include envelope measures like roof insulation and windows, to heating systems, lighting, appliances, and DHW systems. Next, in Step 3, once you have the list of measures decided, you would model those in the proposed design model. In Step 4, once you have both the baseline and proposed models, you can calculate and analyze the energy savings of the project. Finally, in Step 5, it is an iterative process where you would repeat steps 2 to 4 until your desired energy performance is achieved. This might involve exploring other design options for specific energy efficiency measures and calculating the potential added energy savings when selecting more efficient equipment or materials. So how does this modeling process fit into the Multifamily Energy Program? The Multifamily Energy Program serves both existing multifamily and new construction projects. There are 3 program pathways: menu, bundled, and whole building. The menu and bundle path have set measures and incentives to choose from. The whole building path is the most comprehensive pathway and offers the highest incentive for projects that are looking at measures across the whole building. The whole building pathway requires energy modeling, and through this energy modeling, incentives are calculated based on estimated savings. As I mentioned, the whole building path is applicable for both existing building and new construction projects. There are 3 incentive tiers for both, based on percent savings. For existing buildings, it is percent savings using a baseline compared to existing conditions. And for new construction projects, percent savings compared to a code baseline. To determine the savings, energy modeling is required. Regarding modeling requirements, existing building projects require a whole building energy audit to be completed. These existing conditions outlined in the energy audit are used to develop the baseline model. New construction projects require a baseline of code requirements. For low-rise projects, 3 stories or less, this is generally based on the Oregon Residential Specialty Code. And for mid and high-rise projects in the Commercial Code, the Oregon Energy Efficiency Specialty Code should be followed. We've listed here the energy modeling tools OHCS has approved. Most of our current projects have been modeled in eQuest and REMrate. This shows the important steps on how to build quality energy models for submittal in the multifamily energy program. First, you need to gain thorough knowledge of the simulation tool. Training courses are available for many energy modeling softwares such as eQuest and REMrate, both online and in person. In addition to the simulation software, you also want to develop a firm understanding of the technologies and components being modeled. Some software tools have complex inputs, and a thorough understanding of building components will help in the modeling process. Once you've built your model, the process doesn't end there. The most important step we recommend is to develop a thorough internal quality assurance and review process of your own model to verify results and to troubleshoot issues. Energy modeling can be a complex process, and in some software tools may include hundreds of modeling inputs, all of which can have significant impacts on the modeling results. Once you've vetted your own energy models, it's ready to submit to the program for technical review. We understand this process takes time. We encourage perfecting the process over time. And as always, the Multifamily Energy Program team is happy to provide support during this process if you have specific modeling questions. This has been the first of 3 modules on energy modeling best practices. We hope you enjoyed the presentation and will continue on to the next 2 modules where we discuss energy modeling workflow efficiency and modeling quality assurance. Thank you.